Alright, welcome to another Forex Killers update. Please grab a pike and impale that like button. Someone will die, but you won't know them. So, it's all good. Alright, look, things have been going great. We've had a great week. What day are we at? Here in Australia, it's Wednesday. Wednesday morning, 7:55 a.m., as you can see on my screen there. Look, some great trades last night through the setups, all in the Discord. Again, that Discord is free. I do have a premium section, which I'm still working out, but I'm still putting up trades in the free Discord to the pip entries. I'll show you some of them. 2 waves ahead forecasting. Come check it out. You're not going to regret it. And guys that do watch my videos, my regulars, my OGs, please do me a favor and share the videos so more people can see them. I'm only getting like 3 or 4 views on these. So, I don't know. I don't know what I can do to get it out there, but do me a favor and try and get it out there because, more people can benefit off this, and I'm happy to help. So, last week I spoke about just the DXY sort of messing around this area for a while and then sort of selling off. I think yesterday I was sort of talking about a sell-off. Well, the way that I was watching EU was acting and trending up through Asia, to me, again, this is all about session timings, right? And news events, which is how you have to trade the Forex. So with how it was behaving, I discussed in the Discord. I said, look, if the majors are trending up during Asia, it's either 2 things. 1, it's quite bullish, or 2, it is setting up for a big short, and with reversal on USD news. So that's what I said in the Discord, which I will show. So here we are. So I was just charting some different things throughout the day, London or New York setup. So this is GU, and this is EU here. Looking for this setup down here. Now, instead of it sort of rolling over from this level, it sort of went up further, right? And so that was when I said, all right, well, we're probably going to get a short session through New York. So here was in the premium. Here was the NU trade. 65,200 was our short level, and then we are longing 64,700. And if we go to NU, you'll see that 65,200 to the pip, and ran that down to the EL was 50 pips or thereabouts, and then from the long back up another 40 odd pips. So that was just one trade, and this was just sort of on London. So we trended down all the way through London as expected, and then we've tagged that EL and we've headed on up. Another example of something quite similar but just at a different level was AU, and as you can see on this one, if my line comes up, there we go. This is the same sort of area. The short started here. So because we've got a different EL running on AU and we're already here during London, well, then what am I expecting, right? We're below the EL, so I'm expecting the expansion leg down. And so I caught this to the pip at 960, and NU I caught about 2 pips from the bottom. So we just had those 27 pips up, and then you just measure it down. I'm just giving you guys proper tips here, and then you catch that. AU has been absolutely phenomenal. I'll just do a quick digression on AU. I hadn't been watching it, which is very unfortunate because it's just been really unreal lately. So if you look on the 4 hour here, or maybe we go the 2 hour, you see this EL, and we had this short which I called on last week for the shorts on all majors, and this was one that actually played to the biggest, but I wasn't really watching AU, so I missed this unfortunately. But out of the majors, it did 200 pips, and then you're if you go 90 pips up and 98 pips down, so just that expansion leg took out these two lows. Such a great entry, and you can see that just perfect, wave formation. And then if you sort of break it down further, and we also hit their prior EL. So just another thing. So you've got all these expansion legs, and then we've hit the former EL, which is important, and it's a good level, right? So you've got the liquidity grab as well, but it also just holding on that former EL, which is a level that the market goes to all the time, right? So, and then we trended up, and I believe if we go down, there's probably a little bit of probably be something in here that we could find, and then you've got sort of that leg again, and it retests that EL perfectly, and then we're up again for the next leg. And then I came across it last night, and I thought, oh wow, AU has been working on this 3-phase market setups really well, so I'm going to jump in on AU, and it just played perfectly, and I grabbed that long there, and we're up 50 pips and looking good to take the high. So yeah, NU's played to perfection, so that was to the pip, up and down and up, which is great. EU here, we got the short to the pip, got the break in hidden bull, because I had a chart from earlier on about when to long. You wait for the break of the 15, get the hidden bull, and there's your entry, right? So we got the breaking back up. Bullish through Asia means setting up for a bigger short through London and into USD news, or it's quite bullish and didn't wait. Next short opportunity will be the EL at 108.960 area, but wait for London and then EU news 30 minutes later. So that was on London. We got the 08960 area, and then we obviously sold off from that. So again, to the pip, 08960. Oh wait, hang on, no, it went to 980, so 2 pips off. And then we got our 20 pip and 50 pip target. EU didn't quite tag our EL, very close. But again, when you're trading these markets, you got to trade to the news cycle or the session time, right? So this was our news. This was our USD news, and regardless of it not quite tagging, that's what we're looking for, right? So you're going to get it or you're not going to get it. If you're going to take it, have a shot and you should be fine. As long as you use good risk management, you know what you're doing, and it doesn't hit target by a few pips, it's all good. So I had a GU setup coming down here. It was sold off on GU news. Great sell. 100 pips. I originally had this as a long target here, right? But because it reached that target before news and everything else still had more to go, I said that we're looking for the next level. And so this was my next level down here. And we missed that by 10 pips. But again, it's just that news cycle. Sometimes you don't hit it to the pip, but you get that obviously you get that zone where you're going to take that long, right? So just a bit of just updates. See, just updating the trade. So most majors haven't hit targets. So thinking GU might get to this next level for the long. The liquidity grab looks to be rolling over at the moment. So that's just an update of me saying, look, original long was at this point where the chart was at now. But considering timing, sessions, again, massive thing that you need to take note of and a massive part of trading the Forex market. So I just said, just wait. News in 3.5 hours. If we keep trending down and stay under small time frame ELs, look for buys on news. Shouldn't be too volatile, but a bit wicky to grab an entry. So look, there's a bunch of trades that, if we didn't get some of them to the exact pip, they're all pretty on the money. That's what you're going to get if you come into the Discord. I had a look at this. This was super volatile overnight. I'm still on my longs from 3,900 odd. That was nice and deep. But geez, look at that. That really got moving, didn't it? That really got moving. If you put it down to the 1 minute, this is all news event when I'm sleeping. You put it down to the 1 minute, you got your contraction zone here, right? And then you got all this expansion on news, and then we held. So boom, 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 and then hold, and then you're trending, right? That's how easy it can be if you know what you're doing. And you're holding, and now we're moving on up. Right? I'll give you this knowledge. If you come in, again, I give many more trades in the premium, and guess what? No one's in there, except a few of my buddies. So I'm really the only one trading them at the minute. But if you come in, the more people I have, the more encouraged, and the more I'll post, I suppose. But even right now, I'm 3 or 4 setups last night that all played. So we haven't had trades that that have been stopped. Really, there's been very few, and stopping them under 10 pips. So you're looking at the risk to reward again, quite good. Let's just have a quick look. Where do I think this is going? We've broken this. We're still under the EL. We had that wick up. I think we're trending down, guys. So again, I'll be looking at London setup and what presents, because I just trade what gets presented towards me, right? But at the minute, I'm still looking for that majors to make new highs. I think that's where we're going. I really was looking to hope to see this go up before, but it's just not showing that. So at the moment, we just got to trade the chart. So coming down, and then we go up maybe. That's what I'm thinking, and I'll know when it gets there if we're looking like we're going to go up, right? So, all right. Again, grab that pike, empower that like button, drop a sub, share the video, tell all your friends, and yeah, let's get some more people in the Discord. Cheers, guys.